Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I last did a voiceover, but then today I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, I already primed my face with my LA primer, and then now I'm just applying my foundation, and I used the I used the black opal one, and as you guys can see, I am badly sunburned. The sun right now is hot, like it is extremely hot, and I've been going out a lot. So yeah, so I just applied this all over my face, and then I started applying my eyeshadow, and something happened. You guys should just wait for it. Wait for it. If you're in Nigerian, you'll be able to relate. So just yeah.
You finally brought the light after 10 years.
So guys, as you can see, I was very pissed at that point, and yeah, so let's just go back to what we were doing. Yes, I started applying my eyeshadow. I applied the transition color, and then I applied this dark brown just to give my eyes some depth, and then I highlighted my brow bone. This look is the look I had in my Q&A. A lot of you guys liked the look, so I just decided to film it for you guys. Yeah, and then now I'm cutting my crease with my LA concealer. I'm sure you guys have seen me do this a lot of times, and then I'm going to apply this gold shade on the parts where I cut my crease. Yeah, I'm just going to place this with a flat synthetic brush all over my eyelids, and yeah. So guys, in this look I did not include the glitter. I included glitter in my Q&A video, but then I didn't include the glitter here just because I couldn't find it, honestly. So yeah, I went ahead to apply my lashes, and then I'm lining my waterline now with my fluid line pencil in Graph Black. And then now I'm just going to go ahead to do my eyebrows. This is a technique I saw from Lydia Stanley, and then I decided to try it out, and I have been loving it, you guys. That's like just applying concealer on my eyebrows. That's like carving on my eyebrows before going to do my eyeshadow, then coming back to do my eyebrows. Like, it saves a lot of time. It is very fast. It is faster. Yes, it is faster. So I just use my brow pencil, that's the one from MAC, in Spiked, to just fill my brows, and then I blended it in. I wasn't filling my brows this day, honestly, I won't lie to you guys, but I just had to do it. So moving on, I'm just going to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Almond. Yes, I saw Dimaume use this concealer a lot, so I just had to get it, and I've been loving it too. Now I'm just going to use this to highlight the normal parts that I will usually highlight, and then I blended this in with my foundation brush. And you guys, this day I actually did not use a beauty blender. I only used my foundation brush to blend out my highlights, and it was amazing. It wasn't that bad. I normally go in with a beauty blender after I've used a foundation brush. Yes, I'm just dancing and singing along. Hey. Okay. Yeah, moving on, I'm just going to keep blending this in and blending just so we don't have any harsh lines. Blend my forehead, my nose, and yeah, and then I'm going to blend the edges so we don't have a harsh line. And now I'm cream contouring, and I'm using my Iman foundation It's just a foundation that is like really dark on me, so I usually use this to cream contour. And now I'm just going to set my face, and I use my black opal loose powder in, I think, medium. Yes, I used it because I didn't use my normal Sacha Buttercup, just because I was trying to go for something darker just so it could match my neck, because as you guys know, I'm badly sunburnt. It didn't really work, but then it's going to go gradually. And I'm going to contour my face with this classic blush and contour palette. And I baked today, yeah. I let the powder sit on my face for a while. Okay, not for that long. As you guys can see, I'm already dusting it off. Yeah, I'm just going to dust that off and blend it. Yeah, and then I'm going to start contouring my nose, just because I have a huge nose, a very huge one. I'm just going to contour my nose, and I think I use the same contour powder that I use for my face, and I'm just spraying my face with some Fix Plus, and then before that dries down, I'm going to apply my highlighter. I can't remember the one I used, honestly. I don't know, I was just so lazy to show the products I used on this day, but okay, I think I can see it. Okay, I used the one from the Balms Cosmetics. You guys know that one, yeah. And then I don't know why my nose contour was not popping on this day. I was having an argument with somebody, so I applied too much nose highlighter. TMI. Now I'm just going to smudge the orange color onto my lower eyelid. The orange color and the brown color too. Why do I have this facial expression? Now I'm lining my lips with my spiked pencil. I'm just going to line that. And then I started this thing of overlining my lips. I started from Raji, and I love it. I can't even lie, just because it gives my lips this fuller look. Now I'm using these two lipsticks. Okay, one is from Sleek and the other one is from, I can't remember, but then yeah, I think it's from Sleek too, I'm not sure. But then I'm just going to blend them together. I've had them for a while now, but then I don't use them, but I just recently used it one day and I loved it. I love them absolutely. So I'm just going to blend this together and then go back and line my lips again, just because the first color kind of covered the lip liner. Yeah, that's what happened. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges and give you guys some moves, you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, because I really enjoyed filming it. I guess that is already obvious. And this is the finished look. I know I'm popping, I look good, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram at SARAHKYOLA. It's the same everywhere. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.